Firstly, go to Insert tab and then in the Shapes, choose this arrow right here and then adjust it into the slide. Then change its width and the color. Then change its angle and its shape. Now increase its size from this corner and then adjust it like I have done. Then move it towards the upward side and then move it to this side, and then you have to duplicate it and then change its angle and make it flip it horizontally, and then place it next to the first arrow and change its color. Now the curved arrow with wider width. So you have to go to the Insert tab and then insert the same shape as you have done for the first arrow. And then you have to change this angle and then its width and shape. Now adjust it and increase its line right here, and then move it and rotate it like this, and decrease its size. So I have made it like a C shape. Then you have to increase its width from the former shape and then change its color to dark blue. And I'm going to rotate it right now. And I'm going to duplicate it and then I'm going to flip it vertically and place it next to the first one wider length arrow, and now change its color. So the curved arrow with lower width. Go to Shapes and insert this same shape that you have inserted in the previous two. And now you have to go to Format Shape and increase its width, change its color, and change its angle. So I have changed its color to orange. And you have to decrease its length right here. So now I have I'm going to increase its size and the arrow direction. You have to make it its width really less like this, and you have to duplicate it and then you have to flip it vertically. Now go to shape effects and then click on this option. Give it this effect. So this is how you make three types of curved arrows. And don't forget to like the channel, like the video and subscribe the channel.